having that zoom. But we want to show you the different kind of style na for us when you take a zoom. Let's go here. Okay, for context, let's activate all cameras.
Comparison no?
So the iPhone 16 Pro Max can only zoom up to 25 times. So let's just take a photo of our subject, which is Maybank. Oops, sorry. Medyo unfair kasi umuuga tayo. For control tayo, gumamit tayo ng clicker. Okay. Fair na ba siya? Di pa. Sige na. There. So you can see here, even here, medyo grainy siya. Let's try here muna sa S25 Ultra. This is times 100 zoom, already at 100. The goal is to take a photo of the lion. Tiger pala, sorry. From me. There. So, we see a fair result here. And then next is for Maybank in terms of the Honor Magic 7 Pro. Wait lang. Challenging. There. So the difference is, even though it's a bit blurry, there will be an AI upscale. So using the 200 megapixel telephoto lens, all of the data is being gathered in just one telephoto lens. Afterwards, it's going to be enhanced. So actually medyo ano lang ako, shaky, but earlier results is just like that.
So anong conclusion?
Here is even times 100 zoom. Of course, di ba kumukuha tayo ng pictures na super layo. Ang problem kasi sometimes it's even unusable. So here with the power of AI,